Now that we know how Google Drive is structured, we are going to dive a little more into how to use and organize files and folders. This includes creating, uploading, and customizing. If you want to create or upload a new file or folder, all you need is this new button. The first option is Folder. When you click on it, you are prompted to enter the name of your folder. Once you do that and hit Create, an empty folder will now appear under the folder section of your My Drive interface. Your folders will be automatically categorized in alphabetical order, and you can start dragging files that can be categorized together under that folder by simply clicking and holding on that specific file and dragging it in. As for how to create a docs, slides, sheets, or forms file, we will teach you how to do such in their respective section setup video. So let's move on to uploading. Google Drive is a storage system, so you can upload any folder or files from your computer onto Google Drive to help free up some computer storage. To do this, head over to New, and depending on what you want to upload, click on that option. For this demonstration, I will show you how to upload a file. So I will go and click on File Upload. Now just browse through your computer and choose the file that you want to upload. Once you have found the file, go down and press Open. On the bottom right corner, there is a progress bar that shows the uploading process. As you can see, uploading files are quick and easy. However, if you were to upload multiple large files at once, it would take longer. Now that we know how to create and upload, let's move on to the files and folders settings. To access the settings, go and right-click on the specific file or folder. Here are a bunch of settings options that you can mess around with, but we will quickly go over some useful ones. First up, we have the Preview button. This gives a glimpse of what the file will look like without having to open it up in its respective domain in a new window. Next up, we will talk about the Share button. One of the benefits of Google Drive is its collaboration feature, and you can take advantage of it by typing in the account of the person you want to share this file with. Let's talk about Move To now. Once you clicked on this, a pop-up of a more compressed version of Google Drive pops up for you to choose your folder and what you want to move your file to. This is an alternative way to transfer files into folders if you don't like the dragging option that was shown earlier. We already talked about Add to Start in the previous video, so we're going to talk about Rename. As this name suggests, this is where you go if you realize that you misname a file. Next up is the Make a Copy option. This will make a duplicate of the file and name it as copy of whatever the old file was. So since I made a copy of charts, the copied file name is copy of charts. Last but not least, we can delete the file by going down to the last option that says remove. This will put the file into the Google Drive trash where it will be stored until you decide to either restore or delete forever. To end off this video, we will quickly talk about how to customize your folders by assigning it a color. To do this, right-click on a folder, and as you can see, there is now a change color option. This was not present in the file settings. When you hover above this, you can see a palette with the different colors that Google Drive offers. The default color is gray, but we can go ahead and change it to any of these colors. By adding a color, it not only livens up your interface, but it also makes organization easier. This concludes our video on how to use Google Drive, and as you can see, it is really easy and simple.